Hey HIST 101 students, Professor Benlow here with a quick little sneak peek into what is going to be happening in Unit 3. Okay, so my office hour chat schedule for the upcoming week is as follows. On Monday, which will be October 19th, I will be holding my office hour from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. And then on Tuesday, October 20th, we will be having chat number 3 at our regularly scheduled time. So check out our classroom for those details. Okay, Unit 2 has been a very big week, a very big unit. You know that because of Unit 2 discussion board. You had your Unit 2 discussion board original post due on Friday, October 16th. Hopefully you've got that in. If you haven't, please get that in as soon as possible. So Tuesday, you're going to have two important Unit 2 due dates. Tuesday, October 20th, your Unit 2 discussion board responses are going to be due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. That's where you respond to two of your classmates. And then also on October 20th, you're going to have your Unit 2 in telepath due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. So important that you get these assignments in, these last two things done for Unit 2. All right, your Unit 3 due dates, everybody. Friday, October 23rd, you will have your Unit 3 determined knowledge due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And remember, it's important to get your determined knowledge turned in by the Friday deadline because doing so allows the system to create the learning path or nodes that you will have to complete for the Tuesday and telepath deadline. And plus, it cuts down on your workload, and who would not want that? All right, then Tuesday, October 27th, you're going to have your Unit 3 and telepath due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Be diligently working on that Unit 2 discussion board, and please feel free to ask me any questions. Have a wonderful week, everybody, and I will see you in our chat on Tuesday.